Do you have some of these parting stops that are falling off of your Marvin Inswing door? Let me show you how to fix that. What I want to do is get some new weather stripping, and this is how the weather stripping fits in this door. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut this to fit, and then I'm going to attach this to the door. Okay, I'm going to take some of this weather stripping here, and I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to make sure it's butted all the way up in there. And I'm going to work my way all the way down. So it fits in there like that. Now we can take a block of wood or a putty knife, and we're going to make sure that this is pushed in all the way. You got to push really, really hard. Make sure that's seated all the way, and do this all the way up the door. So at the top, I'm going to go ahead and put a screw here on top and bottom. And what that's going to do, that's going to keep this weather stripping in place, because what happens is when this door gets hot, it expands and contracts, and this weather stripping comes out of the kerf. So by securing it with a screw, it should not come out again. Okay, so I got this little screw here. I'm going to put that right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put one here at the center. And I'm going to do one here at the bottom. Now I'm going to take one of these blocks that I got from Marvin. They've since changed them to a foam, and the foam does not work. They do have foam ones where it's sticky, and you put the foam, and then supposedly the foam puts back pressure on the stop here and keeps it from coming undone. I've seen those foam fail, so I still use these wood blocks. I'm going to go ahead and attach 3 of them here at every hinge. I'm going to pre-drill, and then we're going to put some silicone on there, and the silicone is going to stick to the back side of this stop to keep it from falling off. Okay, I'm going to use this hinge as a guide to where I want to place them. It's got a little notch in it right there, and we're going to go ahead and pre-drill that. Okay, now I'm going to put a long screw in it. Be sure to countersink that, because it's a very tight fit from the top of that to this. So if the screw sticks out, you won't be able to get the parting stop tight. There we go, that holds it on. Or you can glue this in place, but I prefer to use a screw. Now I'm going to do the same thing up here. Now I'm going to make sure the back side of this clad is clean, so there's no dirt on that. So when I put the silicone here, it'll stick to that. Okay, so I got some Dow 1199. I'm going to go ahead and put a whole bunch of this on here in a zigzag, just like that. And do that to all 3 of them. Okay, as you can see, I got the silicone there, there, and there. Now we can go ahead and reinstall this, and you're going to see a very tight fit. So we make sure it's in there like that. And now we're going to push this way all the way down, and where the blocks are, you're going to have to push a little hard and work your way all the way down. And once you do that, push this weather stripping in this way so it interlocks. And you heard that little snap? That means it's in there. Again, this is where a block is, and I'm having to push really hard, and I'm pushing towards this way. Okay, now that I got it like that, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the other side. Have it. That's how it looks. Should be nice and flush. It's all snapped in. Looks good all the way around. Well, there you go, just like brand new. And if you found this video informative, please consider hitting the subscribe button below, and that helps me out. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.